All right, we have a brand new Arctic Vibe that needs to be plugged up. We remove the inserts. On. Put our round dam on there. 1 pump of the Storm Thunderplug compound. We mix the white color into the compound. Pump a hardener in there. Couple hits with the torch, gets rid of those bubbles. And we let it harden overnight. Getting ready to cut it down. $320, $500, $800, $1,000, $1,500. All right, here we have the finished product. Note to self, white does not darken as it cures. Oh well, back to the drawing board.